Got everything perfectly loaded up. Pretty much as good as we can get it.
Have like a fight scene up here.
Yeah? You can do it!
Everybody rock. What's that? P&W, bitch.
Yeah! Austin just spent 30 bucks on a flag.
I spent $10 on this.
Austin just got a handful of popcorn from the kettle corn guy over there. I'm just stopping off before we get there. Oh shit. Ooh. Nice! At least it's full.
That's the ocean.
I know, I could spend all day in that little parking lot.
Look at the pier.
How do you think they built that? Not very well. Not very well, because the other half is just in the water. We're almost there. All flagged up. Ready to rock and roll. Got the GoPro set up on the helmet. Craig's got his helmet. Ready to rock and roll. We're just waiting on Austin.
That might take a little bit.
Yeah?
Apparently I have to put the acid in the battery myself, so I might have to charge it too.
Nice.
Oh.
Nice. Hey, we got the mini bike.
No, I have jumper cables.
Oh, okay. So Craig already broke down. I don't know if the GoPro caught that. Austin's having trouble starting his. But I'm 2 for 2. If anything, pop that one off, throw it on there, and then we'll just take turns. All right, and Craig's gonna go rip it back and forth to see if we got it fixed. Yeah, no reverse. All right, Austin is the master mechanic of the day.
Here
We got one toy chain.
See how tight that chain is. Oh, that's perfect. Ow.
Is it?
Yeah.
Nice, Craig.
You didn't get any tighter or any looser.
Give it some gas. All right, got Craig's up and running. Austin's up and running.
This spot, they're coming to that first spot that I wanted to go to.
Gotcha.
So when they get here, we'll load everything up and we'll go down there.
All right, right on. Sounds good. No, his bike won't start. To fuck off.
Actually, it did.
Ooh, do it again. Do it.
Why did it try the first time and then not try again?
We could be them right now.
I guess I'm gonna have to pop the seat off and charge it or jump the battery.
That's what I said.
I don't want.
That's clean as hell. Oh yeah, here. Oh, yeah.
That's one reason I love to do it.
So Craig blew his first belt. Some nice guy towed us in because we were kind of far out. Took us about 30 seconds to throw the new one on. We're getting pretty good at that. Yeah, this is going up in the shop for sure. I kind of want to take the mini bike out.
Dude, do it.
Just took that for a rip and it sucks.
I don't think.
Working on Austin's because he flew a chain. Craig's replaced the belt on and my quad's still doing fine. Alright, we just went to the new spot. Pretty gravelly over here, but it looks like we can get some solid jumps off. You gotta be gentle. You gotta ease into it, because if you go too fast, you're just gonna keep sinking.
Oh, fine.
All right. Fucking full sent it. Gonna be ordering a clutch soon, because that's ridiculous. We got stuck out there, and I was like, you know what, fucking full send. So Craig was pushing me as I was like hopping in it, and we got it going. So I ripped around here. I was like, oh, it's working. I went up there and just immediately just ripped this, built a new one. Yeah, clutch is coming soon. Fuck this. Really his first time riding today. Do a donut! Watch, it spits another chain right there. Right? 200. Yeah, with the stage 1 kit. So it's probably making about 10 horsepower. Yeah, with the torque converter and everything. It'll do about 45 on the street. Come on. Right?
No, not really. I just put my fucking helmet on too.
Hey, we're 2 for 2. 2 broke down, 2 stayed alive. I think that's pretty solid. Well, these are their main voyages.
I just have a dead battery.
We haven't taken that out before, and this is its first time coming out. What? And we have another broken one. I'm surprised the welds are holding up better than the flag, if I'm gonna be honest. But, whatever. I think next time we'll get the more expensive ones because they have a spring on the bottom. So they're. This is the second one we've broke.
Plus they're thicker, so it'll.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what's snapping.
Yeah. I'm not a fan of 2 wheels either, honestly.
I don't like 2 wheels either.
Nope. Up a wheelie.
I just tightened.
Did you tighten it enough?
It was tight enough.
Is that the right size sprocket for that chain?
Yeah.
Because that was the problem we were having with the quad. The rear sprocket, or the chain, was too big for the front sprocket.
Well, no, I could watch the sprocket spin.
Please.
See this? Ow! Fuck, that's hot. See that? This is real
Craig's
hot.
got the bling.
I thought that looks like it goes all the way down there.
There's all riders. He's all kind of fucking around right now. I got 5 minutes until he's walking back. And we made it home and we didn't lose anything. I call that a win.